The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has banned red dye number 3, erythrocene, in food, beverages, and ingested drugs due to its links to cancer in animals. The ban, effective January 15, 2027, for food and January 18, 2028 for drugs, follows decades of advocacy and aligns with California's 2023 prohibition. Imported foods must also comply. Red dye number 3, a petroleum-derived synthetic colorant, gives products a cherry red hue. Though banned from cosmetics and topical drugs in 1990 under the Delaney Clause of the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act due to cancer concerns, it remained approved for food and ingested drugs. The clause prohibits FDA approval of color additives causing cancer in humans or animals, regardless of the exposure levels. Research since the 1960s linked red dye number 3 to cancer in rats, leading scientists to question its safety in humans. Studies suggest artificial dyes, including red number 3, may contribute to attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, and other behavioral issues in children. California's 2021 findings indicated potential risks to brain health at federal intake levels. Critics argue the FDA delayed action due to outdated policies and insufficient research funding, influenced by industry lobbying. Public health experts stress the need for precautionary measures akin to European Union standards, which banned red dye number 3 in 1994. Many companies have already phased out red dye number 3. Ferrara, maker of Brock's candies, reduced its use to less than 10% of products in 2023. Just Born, producer of Peeps, eliminated the dye in 2024. Some manufacturers now use red dye number 40, though California banned it in schools in 2023 due to potential health concerns. Advocacy groups, such as the Center for Science in the Public Interest, urge parents to avoid numbered dyes altogether. Experts like Dr. Jennifer Pomeranz and Dr. Gerald Mande emphasize that U.S. food safety standards lag behind other nations, contributing to chronic illnesses. They criticize the food industry's prioritization of profits over consumer health and call for increased funding for FDA research and enforcement. To avoid red dye. Number 3, check ingredient labels for terms like Red 3 or FD&C Redmer 3. Opt for minimally processed foods and dye-free medications.